Hello, my name is Julie and welcome to my channel. And in this video I am going to show you all my works in progress I have in my work in progress cart. Or I have other many random things on this cart, but mostly my projects and some of my needles. So let's check out what I have on my cart. Oh, and also I will leave a link for this hat because I just recently did a tutorial on this hat. Okay, here is my top shelf. This is a shawl I am working on. And I'm using the Christmas Universe yarn that I got around my birthday. I have done a video about this Christmas yarn. Here among all my needles that I use. And I got them in decorated jars. But my other work here is it's a corner to corner project. I don't know if you can tell. I'm using a net stitch or like a net shawl, but it's gonna be more of a scarf, and I'm using sock yarn for this. So that's on my top shelf. This is gonna be a baby blanket. It is corner to corner moss stitch, and this is a bag-o-day crochet pattern, so I will leave that link in there in the description. And I'm using the ice cream yarn. I got 3 skeins of that, so I'm not sure how big this blanket's going to be. When I get to be about halfway through my yarn, I will start decreasing. This project right here is, I have picked up my hairpin lace. I'm not sure what to call it. It's this thing right here. I don't normally do hairpin lace a lot. Oh, there we are. There we are. I don't do a lot of hairpin lace, but I decided to pull it out and try it out. And my plan is to make a cardigan with this. Fortunately, I am pretty much out of this red and I don't have enough to make the cardigan, so I'm improvising, throwing in some gray, and there might be some other colors. So, and yes, finally, last but not least, is my bottom shelf. Now it's pulling out. It's just a massive scrap yarn blanket, and all it is half double crochets. And you probably see couples, I put a couple strands in it. And that pretty much covers up my cart, which kind of almost looks like a hot mess. Well, this is my first work in progress video, not including the short that I've done. So if you'd like to see this more often, or more content like this, please subscribe to my channel for any type of yarn content, to including many of my tutorials. Also check out my blog posts, which I have many free knitting and crochet patterns, and I've been doing that since about 2008, so I have a whole bunch of patterns on my blog, so check it out. And also check out my other tutorials. So again, I want to thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video.